Hello, my friend, and welcome back to the Path English. I'm happy you are here today. In this episode, we will talk about focus, calm, and quiet strength. Not the loud kind of strength, not the kind that tries to impress, but the kind that grows inside you when you stop chasing others and start building yourself. Today, you will practice English. You will listen. You will repeat. You will speak. And while you practice, you will also train your mind. If you stay until the end, you will feel more centered, more confident, and more peaceful in your English and in your life. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words. I repeat important ideas. You can listen and repeat after me. This is called shadowing. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Many people feel tired, not because life is hard, but because they care too much about what others think. They ask, do they like me? Did I say the right thing? What if I fail? What if I look stupid? These questions steal energy. But here is the truth. Most people are busy with their own problems. They think about work, they think about money, they think about their future. They are not watching you the way you imagine. So, why give your power to invisible judges? When you look too much outside, you forget what is inside. Confidence begins when attention returns to you, not to them, to you. Lesson one: quiet is power. Silence feels uncomfortable at first. We are used to explaining, talking, proving. When things are quiet, the mind gets nervous, but silence is not empty. Silence is clear. In quiet moments, your brain slows down. Your thoughts become lighter. Your decisions become stronger. I remember being in a room where everyone talked fast. Everyone wanted attention. I stayed calm. I listened. At first, I felt strange. Then something changed. People started to notice my presence, not my noise, my calm. Silence creates gravity. You don't need to fight for space. Your calm gives you space. Quiet people are not weak, they are controlled. And control is real strength. Lesson two: focusing on yourself is protection. Some people think focus is selfish, but focus is not about ignoring others. It is about respecting your energy. Your attention is like money. If you spend it everywhere, you become poor inside. But if you invest it wisely, you become strong. You don't need every conversation. You don't need every opinion. You don't need every drama. You choose what enters your mind. When you protect your peace, your growth becomes faster. Focus is not distance. Focus is direction. When you know where you're going, you stop walking in circles. Lesson three: talk less, observe more. Many people speak because they are afraid of silence. They think noise makes them important. But power is not loud. Power is precise. When you listen first, you understand deeper. When you speak less, your words carry weight. I once stayed quiet in a discussion. Others spoke for minutes. When the moment felt right, I said one simple sentence. The room became still, not because I was loud, but because silence prepared the space. Let silence sharpen your voice. Then, when you speak, people listen. Lesson four: Silence saves your energy. Arguments burn energy. Gossip eats peace. Reactions create chaos. But silence cools everything. When people try to pull you into drama, you don't need to jump. Not every message deserves a reply. Not every opinion needs your defense. Sometimes doing nothing is doing something powerful. Silence is not surrender, it is strategy. When you stay quiet, problems lose oxygen, and without oxygen, fire dies. Save your energy for your goals, not for noise. Lesson 5, let actions speak. Explaining yourself again and again is tiring. Some people listen to understand, others listen to judge. You cannot change both. Instead of talking about your plans, build them. Instead of convincing people, surprise them. Progress is louder than promises. When you work in silence, results create the noise for you. Your life becomes the answer. Say less, do more, and let your future explain who you are. Lesson 6. Protect who gets your time. Not everyone deserves your presence. Some people only take, they ask, they complain, they drain. But when you need support, they disappear. Energy is precious. If you give it without limit, you become empty. So choose carefully. Give your time to people who grow with you. Give your focus to goals that build you. Protection is not cold, it is intelligent. Strong people guard their attention. Lesson 7, peace is visible. Real peace does not shout. It walks calmly, it smiles softly, it listens deeply. People feel it before you speak. You don't need to show peace with words, you live it with presence. When you are calm inside, others relax around you. Your silence becomes comfort. Your focus becomes leadership. Peace is magnetic and magnetism is quiet. Lesson 8. Bring your mind back to you. Your mind loves to escape. It runs to others' opinions. Did they like me? Did I fail? What will they say next time this happens? Stop. Breathe. Then ask yourself, what do I need right now? Not what they need, not what they expect, what you need. When your attention returns home, strength grows, approval loses power, truth gains space. Focus is your super skill. Train it daily. Lesson 9. Walk your own road. Life is not a competition, but many people treat it like a race. He is faster, she is ahead, they are winning. Comparison creates stress, but purpose creates peace. When you stop watching others and start building yourself, clarity replaces pressure. Leaders are born from direction, not distraction. Your path is quiet, your steps are steady, and steady steps travel far. You did great today. You listened, you repeated, you practiced. That is real progress. Remember, focus on yourself. Protect your peace. Use silence wisely. Come back to this episode, shadow again, speak again. Each time your English becomes stronger and your mind becomes calmer. This is the path. English, I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep walking your own path. See you next time.